Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 12.2 problem number 1. Let us see the question. This is the given question here. Right, let us read the question. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road from a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point of 10 meters away from this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. So given one TV tower stands on the side of a road. So from a point from the other side, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees given. At the same time, from the 10 meters away from the second point is given 30 degrees angle of elevation. So we have to find the height of the tower and width of the road here. Okay, right? Let us solve the problem. Let us imagine a diagram first. Suppose, consider this is a TV tower of height. How much height is given? That is we have to find. So consider it is h, and so the angle of elevation with the ground is this is given 60 degrees. Okay, so from another point, let us consider here from here 10 meters away. Okay, this is 10 meters. From here it is given 30 degrees angle, here it is. Okay, so we have to find the width of the road. The width of the road is nothing but this is, consider x here, and this we have to find here. Okay, now we have to find the height of the TV tower as well as width of the road. This is the width of the road. Let us consider it is x. Okay, right. So take A, B, C, and this is point D. Okay, yeah, are you clear with this? Right. So let us erase this. I will take the solution. Yeah. Right. Let us write what is given. Given angle of elevations from two different points, 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay, right. Next, distance between two points, how much given? That is 10 meters. Okay, consider the height of the TV tower. The height of the tower is equals to h. Okay, and consider the width of the road. How much? It is, consider x. Okay, so here if it is A, so AC is nothing but height of the tower, and BD is the distance between 2 points, and x is nothing but width of the road, that is nothing but CD, isn't it? Is it clear? Right. Let us write here. BD is equals to 10 meters and AC is equals to h, consider, and CD x. Okay, right. We have to find height and nothing but h and x here. To find h and x, so we have angle 60 degrees here, so I am going to use here tan ratio, or we can take cot ratio also. Okay, so I am going to take tan here because I need a h and x here. This is opposite side, this is adjacent side. That is why I am going to use tan ratio here, or we can take cot also, but I am taking here tan ratio. Let us take tan 60 degrees. Okay, right. So length of opposite side, I am writing in short form, opposite side to 60 degrees by length of adjacent side to 60 degrees. Okay. So okay, length of opposite side, that is nothing but AC, adjacent side nothing but it is so I am taking here it is angle, sorry, triangle ADC. In triangle ADC I am taking tan 60 degrees. Okay, right, AC by CD. So tan 60 value we have that, how much? Tan 60 is root 3, AC value we have h here, and CD value x. So suppose take the cross multiplication, h is equals to root 3 x we got. Okay, let us consider this equation 1. Okay, right, I will erase this and take the diagram on the top of this board here. Okay, and this is h, this is the 60 degrees angle, and this is a 30 degrees angle. This we have to find. This is x, and this is D, C, B and A. Okay, this is 90 degrees. Is it clear? Right. So h is equals to root 3x we got. Let us write down here, h is equals to root 3x. It is equation 1. Right. Let us go for second case, tan 30 degrees. Yeah, what is tan 30? Tan 30 degrees is equals to how much? Yeah, first of all we have to write ratio, length of opposite side to 30 degrees by length of adjacent side to 30 degrees. So in which triangle we can see this? Yeah, here it is, ABC triangle. In triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC we are going to find tan 30 ratio. So tan 30 value we have already, that is 1 by root 3, and length of opposite side to angle 30, that is nothing but angle is here. Okay, angle is here, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, that is nothing but, and here it is given 10 meters. BC is the adjacent side. Okay, so length of opposite, that is nothing but AC by length of adjacent side, that is BC. Okay, so 1 by root 3 AC value h by BC we can write. So BC is nothing but BD plus DC or CD, isn't it? So BC is equals to BD value we have, that is 10 meters plus CD x. So we can write BC is equals to 10 plus x or 10 meters plus x. Okay, so let us write down here BD plus DC. So 1 by root 3 is equals to h by BD plus DC, that is nothing but 10 meters plus x. Is it clear? Take the cross multiplication. 10 meter plus x is equals to root 3 into h. Okay, right, h is equals to 10 meter plus x by root 3. Okay, is it clear? Right, consider it is equation 2. So compare the equation 1 and 2. So h value we got two values here. We got two h values. So from 1 and 2, what we can write? Both the LHS are same. We can equal the RHS part also. That is nothing but root 3x is equals to 10 meters plus x by root 3. Isn't it? Can you write like that? Yes, we can write. So take the cross multiplication again. So root 3x into root 3 is equals to 10 meters plus x. This becomes root 3 whole square into x is equals to 10 meters plus x. Okay, square root gets cancelled. 3 into x is equals to 10 meters plus x. This becomes 3x, and transpose this x to LHS side, it becomes minus x is equals to 10 meters. Okay, what we can write next? 3x minus x, it becomes 2x is equals to 10 meters. So transpose 2 to RHS side, 10 meters by 2, 2 ones, 2 5s. So x value we got 5 meters. Okay, what is that x here? Width of the road, that is x we have considered. That is now we got 5 meters. Okay, right, let us write in the end of the problem, right? So let us go for height. So now we got x is equals to 5 meters. Okay, substitute that value. Substitute x value in equation 1. What is equation 1? H is equals to root 3x. Okay, so h is equals to root 3 into 5 meters. That we can write h is equals to 5 root 3 meters. We can stop here it is. Okay, no need to simplify. So 5 root 3 is the height of the tower. Let us write here. The height of the tower is equals to 5 root 3 meters, and what is that? Width of the road is equals to 5 meters. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, I hope you understand the problem right here.